My name is Mitch Doherty. I'm from Northeast Philadelphia. I'm a repair specialist and I was hired at the beginning of 2017. I'd say my favorite thing about working here is being able to go out and help different customers. I like the fact that I'm not just sitting in one spot basically for the whole day, and I get to do different things throughout the day, and it's different each day basically. My hobbies is going out with friends, golfing, playing baseball, football. My biggest achievement is definitely being the first in my family to go to college. I went to Chestnut Hill College in Philadelphia with a bachelor's in accounting. My favorite charity is definitely the Jimmy Fund. Definitely hits home. It's a big sports thing for the city of Boston, so definitely a big fan of the Jimmy Fund.